In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to make your Instagram account private. If you've been wondering how to do this, I've got you covered. The process is quite straightforward and won't take up much of your time. Let's dive in. To get started, open your Instagram application. Once you're in, head over to your profile page by simply clicking on Profile. This action will seamlessly direct you to your personal profile. Now, focus your attention on the three small lines positioned in the upper right corner of the app. These lines symbolize the menu, which is your gateway to various settings and options. Give it a tap and a menu will pop up. Among the choices, you'll see Settings and Privacy. Click on this option to proceed. As you enter the Settings and Privacy section, you'll notice a panel filled with various options. Scroll down until you spot Account Privacy. Click on it to open up the Account Privacy settings. This is where the magic happens. Within the Account Privacy settings, you'll discover the switch to make your account private. To do so, simply toggle on the Private Account option. A small but significant note: if you have a creator account, keep in mind that it can't be made private. This process is tailored for personal accounts, not professional ones. For those with professional accounts who are keen on switching things up, follow these additional steps. Start by accessing Creator Tools and Controls, which is exclusively visible when using a professional account. Go ahead and enter this section. As you scroll down towards the lower part of the page, you'll come across an option labeled Switch Account Type. Give this option a tap. Doing so will present you with the choice to switch back to a personal account. Select this option, and your account will be transformed back into a personal one. This action effectively turns off the professional or business creator account that you had previously set up. If your goal is to change a professional account into a personal one, remember to make this change before switching your account back to private. And there you have it. Your Instagram account is now private, offering you enhanced control over who sees your content. If you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. If you found this video useful, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content.